Humans have lived in groups for almost all of our existence. Our earliest ancestors understood the advantages of hunting and gathering together to better feed themselves and their families. We still feel that desire to connect to this day. If you want to achieve your goals and dreams, having a solid network of people to support you is a valuable advantage. You'll be able to find better jobs, meet new people, and get the help you need when you need it, and you can do that by having good connections with people. It is possible to make people like you in less than 90 days. First impressions are always important, but it's even more critical when meeting someone for the first time, especially if you want to start a business relationship. When you meet someone for the first time, be sure to make an effort to pay attention, not only to what they're saying but also to their body language and facial expressions. You can tell a lot about a person just by paying attention. Eye contact is an essential element of any successful first encounter. Try to make eye contact with and be positive in that first interaction. After the ice is broken, show interest and be cool with it. Bringing your best to every interaction is critical for establishing meaningful relationships. If you start the conversation with the correct posture, you can have great results by approaching every conversation with a clear mindset and intent. By thinking about what you want to get from the conversation and determining how to reach your goals in the most efficient way. Open body language conveys a relatable, approachable attitude. When you want to convince someone, stand close enough to make a personal connection, lean in slightly, and smile. Anything to display body language that portrays openness and acceptance will help your relationships with people. Make sure to have a consistent and harmonious message across your whole body. Inconsistencies will bother people, but when you try to cover them up or simply apologize for them, it damages your credibility and causes people to like and trust you less. Being able to mimic body language and speech patterns can help you build comfort and rapport with the people you already know. Mirroring other people's mannerisms is a great way to make them feel more comfortable in your presence. A good conversation involves two people who are communicating well. When you're speaking with someone, be mindful of the volume of your voice and make sure it's not too strong or too soft. A pleasant, gentle tone will go a long way to making a person feel comfortable in a conversation. When engaging in any conversation, you must listen and ask the right questions. This can pave the way for lots of fruitful discussions. Now, asking good questions and listening carefully to the answers is a great start, but only the first half of a successful conversation. The other half is active listening. Not just in tune with what the other person is saying, but also attentive to their feelings and emotions.